So here's the question. Does Indiana's lack of success help or hurt Tevin Coleman's Heisman campaign? If you think about the negative, obviously hard to overlook the fact that the team's going to be 3-9, 4-8 at best. As a positive, though, he's got 2,000 yards rushing by year's end. He's going to have a huge amount of touchdowns. He's going to be the focal point of every defense's attack, yet he's doing so on a team that is awful. So you think about it in one way, it's a negative that they're bad, but for Coleman, it could be viewed as a positive. You know, about late October, people had written off UCLA as a college football playoff contender and long written off Brett Hundley, their quarterback, as a Heisman contender. A month later, a lot has changed. The Bruins are in line, perhaps at 2 losses to reach the college football playoff, and a lot of it has to do with the way Hundley has played. He's taken on more of a role in the running game, very accurate throwing the football. He's led UCLA to a huge number of impressive wins. They go into the finale against Stanford, controlling their own destiny perhaps in the playoff. You think if Hundley can beat Stanford and then beat Oregon and beat Marcus Mariota in the conference title game, he could get some late votes. Melvin Gordon made things interesting. JT Barrett made a run at things in November. But Marcus Mariota of Oregon is going to lift the Heisman Trophy on December 13th. It's about the body of work. You saw on Saturday against Colorado how dynamic, how excellent he was. Well, he's been that every game this season from day one until today. He set a new Pac-12 record with his 42nd total touchdown on Saturday. Think about this. He's doing this. He's putting up those numbers all season. He's attempted 36 passes and run the ball 10 times in the fourth quarter. That's not that much. Basically, he's playing 3 quarters every game.